Chow.
So you're gonna open your glove box. You're gonna push the two sides in and pull it out at the same time. Just like that.
Oh, wow.
And then your air filter should be, yep, just that. Perfect. There should be one on the other side. Oh my gosh, that's what you've been breathing.
Oh, jeez.
Yum. Let's take that out of the car to change it. Push a new one. Just pay attention to size and shape and which direction goes up.
All right, before and after. Wow.
Look how easy that was.
Look at this, folks. Okay, now let's see how easy it is to do that. Yes, duck it in there.
Let's open the glove box. And you're going to actually lift the glove box and then push that little plastic piece in the center backwards and then pull the glove box down. Can I see that? Okay, so you see these little tabs right here? You're just gonna lift up. There you go. Yeah. There is this access door right here. And we're gonna pop these little plastic clips and then take the old filter out and put the new filter in. Push up. You feel that kind of pull away, then go grab the second one. Perfect. Just watch all the gross stuff that's on the top. Good job. Let's take a look at that thing. Oh, gross. That's what you've been breathing.
I think something just crawled away.
Want to compare the two, we're going to pull out the new part. This is an applicable replacement part from Bosch. You just want to make sure it's about the same size, same shape-ish. Yeah, that looks nice. Clean and fresh. And then we're just going to stick it right back in. Nice and gentle. And is it flush with the edges?
Yes.
So then you can just shut it and make sure it clicks.
Yep.
Yep, and then we're gonna put the glove box back on. And it's just the reverse. Let's take a quick peek at these little guys, because that's what we're lining up. And they're going right on these little hooky things.
The hooky things. I think that's the technical term.
Yes. And just push down a little.
I like to wear gloves when removing the glove box just because I feel like I always pinch my hands. And I gave this glove box a good 5 minutes of my attention and it did not want to come undone and I didn't want to break the plastic. So here is a special way to remove the glove box, which is just by undoing the hinges on the bottom.